Hey, this is the lesson for April 15th, 2021. I'm not going to be here today, so I need you guys to work really hard, be on task, get stuff done as you should, okay? All right, so there's going to be plenty to do. First off, you'll have a do now, okay, and it's based off of the word require. Okay, one job that I'm required to do at home is blank. Okay, that will be in Canvas. I want you guys to do that do now. Okay, you will also have your reading logs to turn in today. Okay, so you're going to have a couple of different things. Okay, as far as bookwork goes, if you guys look at the round table at the front of the room, okay, there will be a worksheet for each one of you. Okay, so this is workshop 3, end of workshop, checkpoint. Okay, yes, no, or why. So basically your instructions for this are to decide whether the sentence makes sense. Circle yes or no and explain your thinking. Okay, so we've got the word current for number 1. We've got the word requires for number 2. We've got the word remained for number 3. Okay, and then for number 4 we've got the word allow. For number 5 we got the word distressed. Okay, so I want you to read them carefully, slowly. See if the sentences make sense to you. Okay, if they make sense, okay, if it makes sense, you circle yes. Okay, if this word does not fit, if it does not make sense, you put no, and then you're going to put why. Okay, actually, for yes or no, you're going to explain why. So you might need to use your book. You might need to use, look up these words to make, give me why they make sense or don't make sense. Okay. All right. So that's your assignment for today. Very simple. Okay. Also, I just want to kind of recall. Let's make sure. That you guys are caught up. Okay, so if this doesn't take you very long, you have this, you have the do now, and then you will have your reading log. So we need to make sure that we do reading first. Okay, so your 15 to 20 minutes of reading. Okay, make sure you get reading logs turned in, and then to end the class period, you'll do your student application. Okay, make sure that you treat this substitute with respect. Make sure you guys are really good, and we'll go from there. Okay, so just make sure that it's a good day, good positive day. All right, so once again, these worksheets will be on the round table at the front of the room. I need you to do them. I need you to do the do now. Okay, I need you to, once you're finished with that, make sure you take a picture, get them all submitted. Okay, and then I need you to jump on, do your independent reading, get your reading log turned in, okay, and then end the day with student application. Okay, keep it up, work hard, do a good job. Thanks, everybody.